My name's Daniel. I'm making a video every day until Cleetus invites you to the Freedom Factory. And this is my 350 I rebuilt for hitting 1,000 subscribers. I want to be a full-time YouTuber, and you have to do something big to get noticed on YouTube. So I'm putting a V8 on this go-kart. Welcome back, everybody. I appreciate all the love and support. The channel is growing rapidly, and I love it. That's what I wanted with this project, so keep it up. Like, comment, subscribe if you support this mission. I can't do it without you guys. We're going to jump right in. Yesterday, we figured out the radiator placement. I think that's the only place it can really go, so we're going to start mounting it. We got a plan. Let's jump right in and start mounting this thing up. Quick recap from yesterday. I got this bar cleaned up. I think we're going to make these tabs. So this is going to weld on here with the hole in it to bolt up, and then there'll be one up here. So I'm going to weld those on and attach them, and then I can put this on jack stands like I had it yesterday, and it's going to kind of hold it in place so I can build everything else. That's the plan. We're going to cut this thing in the death saw and start welding it up. Let me show you my vision here. So here's one of them cut out and bolted on, and then this will basically sit like that. We'll throw a tack on each side of that, and then on the back side we can throw a nice fat bead on, and we'll do the same thing down here. I've got the radiator mocked up, very similar to what we had yesterday. We've got our mount on here. I welded it and bolted it, so we need to make a piece right down here. But I think I'm just gonna put this one in first, because I just gotta kind of cope it to fit, and then that one will take some cutting and coping and figuring out. This one's just kind of brainless. Just shove it in there and it's done. So I'm gonna do that, and then we'll work on that little one. Check it out. We got one support, and then I went and I cut this one, and it's gonna go just like that. So I think that'll work out pretty good. I'm gonna weld this one in, and I'll see you guys in a second. We got it welded in there. I'm actually impressed. That thing's pretty strong. I'm quite impressed. I mean, that's pretty good. That's not bad at all. I think that's gonna be just fine for our radiator. So I got the one mount on. I took my jack stands out. It's literally just supported by this mount, which is pretty impressive. I can roll the go-kart with this mount. So that's plenty strong. We're gonna build another one, and it's just gonna be really solid, and that's gonna work out great. I'm out of time for tonight. At least we got one of the mounts locked in. We'll build the other one tomorrow, and then this thing will be solid in here. We'll just have to figure out tubes and things like that, but it'll be mounted on there. I think it looks halfway decent. It's kind of hard to put a radiator on this thing, but I think that's probably the best place for it. So we're just gonna keep chipping away at this thing. I'm making a video every day, so I keep working on this thing. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Keep liking, commenting, subscribing, telling your friends, whatever. And I'm gonna try and grow the channel and get this thing done. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much.